Good morning and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Oil and the financials, I believe, are maybe in a stage of rotation, but I do think they're going to be strong sectors for the next couple of weeks and that we're going to have a few days of buying opportunity. Oil, financials, small little dip the next couple of days, and then it'll continue its trend upward. That's my thoughts. I want to remind you, never take advice from anybody on the internet. If you think anybody can predict where the market's going to go or what it's going to do, maybe this is not the business for you. No one, not even this guy, can predict where the market's going, but he can use indicators, read news, and guess at where it's going to go, and then make informed bets in that direction and hopefully win. Improving your winning rate, that's where to go. But never believe anybody that's trying to predict the market. With that said, I'm going to try to predict what the day is going to be for me. Yesterday, according to FinViz, NASDAQ led the way, was positive. Dow ended up a little down, and S&P was a little down. These numbers are very small. Big boys stayed green. Healthcare took the lead. I believe energy and the financials are going to lead the way for the next couple of weeks. Financials and energy took a little red turn, but I don't believe that that's going to be the case all this week, nor for the next 2 or 3 weeks. Buying opportunities here, energy and financial. TradingView, a free program. Lots of things can be done with it. Watch list, scan, and screener, and then up to 3 indicators for the free version. The 4 indices are showing red this morning. I think the day will be much like yesterday. This young man, Kasip, has a very nice YouTube channel. He produces a lot of videos. Some of them are very early in the morning. He was talking about the asset tapering of the Fed. Janet Yellen was on the news yesterday saying that raising interest rates is a good thing. And I'm not arguing that point. This market, with all the asset buying and the zero interest rates, I'm not sure that's a good thing. Anyway, catch his YouTube channel. Very, very good. He's much more detailed than I am, and I believe he's more knowledgeable. Another go-to source is investing.com. It's free. Telsa's having a little trouble. It's losing its market share in the European area. Bitcoin is losing its luster. Thanks, Elon. Telsa has the largest market share of electric vehicles, but China and Volkswagen are trying to pick up the pace. Orders from China for the Telsa has decreased. The stock's going to be mixed today, waiting for the inflation number on Thursday. Institutional investors desert Bitcoin. Crude oil is down. This article says the rally is faltering. I believe it's just taking a little breather. Same with the financials. I have a Discord chat. Lists out some of my trades. This is a OmniBroker chart, and this is TradingView charts. I use both. Each day I produce a list of tickers that have given me signals. Looks for the RSIs, the MACDs, and the stochastics. It gives you some ideas. I produce this report with a program called OmniBroker, which allows me to write code to go out and query these tickers. I have a watch list of 240. This is ABBV and the pharmaceuticals like Procter & Gamble, Pfizer, and others are all showing this little trend up. The MACD is way below the zero line because of this dip pullback. The RSI is pointing up. The stochastic RSI is in an upward direction after coming below. It looks like a buy. I'll be looking at it. Do your own due diligence. Scott's Miracle-Gro is something it's a small cap, and I haven't really done a lot with it, but it is on my watch list. It hasn't showed up that often. Long drive down. Here's your 50% retracement. Will it get back up there? I believe in the 50% retracement theory. And the indicators are showing all up. RSI 4 is up. Stochastics up. MACD up. I believe this one can get it to the 50%. Scott's Miracle-Gro. Take a look. What do you think? T-Mobile been playing up quite often. If you go from here to here, you can draw a Fibonacci, but sometimes I just draw a line. Will the stock return to the 50%? Well, I believe this is one that could pull back. We have a nice long trend up, and it definitely could pull back to the 50%. We're showing short on the MACD soon. This is a hopeful. We're early on this yet. The stochastic RSI is could point down soon. Could stay up there very long too. But I'm not sure. I don't think so. And the RSI is coming around and pointing down. And this is a good one to take a chance on. RSI short. Back to the 50%. You could draw fib from here to here and find out exactly where the 50% is. But I'm trying to look at direction and how far it could go and whether there's some profit there. And there's profit. Hey, with the bad news on Telsa, Plug Power, it might be time for Plug Power to take a little breather and retrace back. Long downward trend. Retrace. And will it continue its downward trend? These EV stocks are not doing so hot. They've definitely lost their luster. MACD is pointing down. Stochastic is about to point down. The stochastic RSI, this is. And the RSI, I'm seeing something that's not there. But is this a short? Am I seeing something that's not there? Anyway, I'm looking to go short on Plug. You take it or leave it. Come up with your own system and your own way of making decisions. Because that's the best way. Your system is the best. My system's the best. Now, this is Capital One. I believe they're going to take a little breather for the next couple of days based on the news. XLF, Capital One, JP Morgan, I have that wrong, it's JPM, are all looking the same way. And I believe there's going to be a little dip for the next 2 or 3 days, but then it's going to continue its upward trend. So I'm not saying short. I'm just saying be careful. I think they're going to dip a little bit and then continue. What do you think? And the same with oil. VLO, Halliburton, the oil ETF, HP. This is HP. Showed a little red candle yesterday after a long haul upward. 50%. Will it get there? I don't believe it's going to get there exactly, but I do believe it's coming down. And these were long candles, so it definitely could come back and pull back and then continue on. So whatever you think, but I'd be looking at this to buy in the next couple of days rather than going short. And then, because I do think oil is going to go to at least $70 or $80 a barrel. Current price is $69. $80 is very doable soon. That's all I have for you today. Do your own due diligence like this guy does. This guy was following other people's trades and didn't learn how to do it himself. Be like this guy, not like this guy. Subscribe and like. Definitely like the video. I need to get more eyes on my video. Please help. Happy trading. Catch you on the flip.